Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. We are now in the group 4 and that is statistic. So, first of all, I am Arkaida Abbasjani, the leader of group 4, and today we are assigned to discuss what is it and what could we learn on it. So in this, we are going to tackle the measure of central tendency, measure of dispersion, measure of relative position, number distribution, and linear regression and correlation. I'm going to define the statistic. So it is the collection, organization, summarization, presentation, and interpretation of data. So, yun nga, ang statistic, maganda siya, nakakatutulong siya para ma-identify at masolusyonan mo ang sudden problema. So, applying statistic is very helpful such as in the problem of scientific, industrial, and social problem. Kasi, kunwari, pag kukuha ka ng data, so, kailangan mo talaga ang statistic. So, in statistic, there are two types of it. That is the descriptive statistic and inferential statistic. So, yung statistic na descriptive involves the collection, organization, summarization, presentation of data. So, parang ito yung statistic na kailangan talaga ang buong data. While the inferential statistic naman, yun naman yung statistic na nagdo-draw or nag-interpret siya ng buong conclusion in the data. So the first concept of statistics is the measure of central tendency. It is helpful to find the numerical area and locate the center of a set data. So observe the example that I will show for you. Suppose that L is a senior at university. In a view of sunset, she planned to graduate and start a career as a landscape architect. A survey of 5 landscape architects from the last year is senior class shown that they received job offer with the different early salaries. So the salaries is $43,750, $39,500, $38,000, $41,250, and $44,000. Para makuha ang sagot nito, we will consider the three types of salaries or cluster salaries. The arithmetic mean, the mean, and the mode. So the average of it is a measure of center tendency. So take note that the arithmetic mean is commonly used in the center or the measure of center tendency. It is also often referred to the mean or the simpler mean. So this is the formula of the arithmetic mean at ito rin yung gagamitin natin para makuha or ma-solve yung problem ni Ella. So, mean equal to sigma x or the summation notation divided the n, which is the numbers that divide the set of data. This is the standard formula at ito naman yung 5 salaries ni Ella. In order to find the arithmetic mean or the average of it, add the 5 salaries divided by 5. So, after adding these 5, the result is $206,500 divided by 5 equal the total number is $41,300. Therefore, the mean suggests that Ella can reasonably expect a job offer at a salary of about $41,300. So we are now moved in the sample mean and the population mean. In this, I will define what is the difference of these two types. Statisticians often collect data for a small portion of a large group in order to determine the info about a group. Population, meaning, ito yung siya yung entire group of data. While yung sample is a small portion lang. Saan ba nanggagaling yung sample, edi sa population. So, anything na example mo at kukunin mo yung sample, nanggagaling siya sa population mean. So, this is the population mean formula. M, which is the mu or the lowercase mu, equal to sigma and x, or the summation notation, divided by the n, the numbers that divide the set of data. While this is the sample mean formula. X bar is equal to zx, or the summation notation, divided by n, which is the number that divide the set data. Mabibigay ako ng example ng sample mean, pero take note, ang sample mean at population mean is same lang siya ng pag-solve. Example, 6 friends in the biology class of the 20 students received the grades of 92, 84, 65, 76, 88, and 90. So in this, we will find the best score for the sample mean. So this is the formula of the sample mean. Since the problem is having a 6 scores, yun ang magiging denominator niya, or the number that divide the set data. First step, add all data, and then next, divided by 6, equal 495. 495 divided by 6 is equal to 82.5, and the interpretation of this is, therefore 92.5 is the sample mean of the set data. So since tapos na tayo sa mean, proceed naman tayo sa median. So median is the middle number, or the mean of the two middle number in the list that have been arranged in the numerical order from smallest to lowest. So napakadali lang intindihin ang median kasi ito siya yung dalawang number na nasa rank list. So ang rank list, ito siya yung smallest to largest, or the largest to lowest. So in finding median, there are two types of it. Sometimes even siya, sometimes naman is odd. So yung even number, yun siya yung 2, 4, 6, and 10. Yung odd naman, 1, 3, 5, 9, and etc. So, para mas maintindihan nyo, magbibigay ako ng example. So, sa first example, it contains 7 numbers. The median of the list, which has an odd number of entries, is found by ranking the number and finding the numbers in the smallest or lowest. So, since 7 siya, madali lang makukuha ang median nito. Ito na yung rank number from smallest to lowest. So, obviously, the middle number of this is 9. So, yan ang magiging median of the problem. The second example is contains 6 letters. So, ito naman, before mo siya makuha yung median, isosolve mo muna yung mean nits. And this is the formula of the mean. This is the number that rank from smallest to largest number: 23, 46, 77, 89, 92, and 178. So, since dalawa ang middle number dyan, gagawin muna natin ang mean na standard formula. So, 77 plus 89 is equal to 166. 166 divided by 2 is 83. So, the 83 is the median of the number. So, ang mode naman, ito naman yung number na madalas nauulit. So, example, in a set of data, may number dun na laging nauulit. Kunwari, yung 1, and then 2, 3, tapos 1 na naman, tapos 2, tapos 1 na naman. So, yung 1, yun yung mode. Pero, most of the set data, wala siyang mode. So, observe the example or the two example. The first one, 1, 6, 8, 10, 32, 15, and 49. So, since walang nauulit dyan, that means walang mode. While the second one, which is the 42, 6, 2, 7, 9, 2, 4, 9, 8, 7. So, the 2 and 9 is the 2 times occurs in the number. So, that is the mode. So, those 3 examples that I tackled, the arithmetic means, median, and mode, are the 3 types of measure of center tendency.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Good morning, sir and classmates. My report is all about linear interpolation and animation. Linear interpolation is a method used to find a particular number between 2 given numbers. For instance, if it is a table list, the 2 entries 0.3156 and 0.8248, then the value exactly halfway between the numbers each mean of the numbers. To find the numbers, that is 0.2 times the difference between the numbers, and because the first number is smallest than the second number, add this result to the smaller numbers. Here is the solution. Okay, proceed. Range. Range is the difference between the lowest and the highest values. Example, 46937. Ano ang pinakamababa sa nabanggit? 46937. Ang mababa ay ang 3. At ang 9 naman ang pinakamataas. Madali lang siya. Ibabawas mo lang yung maliit na number doon sa malaki. Halimbawa na lang, 3 minus 9 is 6. So 6 is the range values. Yun lang po. Salamat.